Welcome to Opesh Group.
Thanks for having me to Opesh Group.
You know that in India we have a culture. When anyone comes, we welcome them, warm welcome by good flowers
Okay,
like this.
thank you. Beautiful flower, this very nice. Thank you very much, Dr. Opesh.
Thank you to coming to India. Please have it. You can remove it now. No,
Yes, yeah. Please thank you. Oh,
फ्रेंड्स दिस इज डॉक्टर उपेश सिंह और आज मैं हूँ मेरे मित्र मेरे दोस्त और हमारे गेस्ट मिस्टर उमारू नेपोलियन डिप्टी मिनिस्टर ऑफ माइंस सियरा लियोन कंट्री फ्रॉम अफ्रीका. You will be surprised, guys. Mr. Minister come from Sierra Leone to India in 3-way business growth conference to help you to start your business in African continent. He is not only come on behalf of Sierra Leone, he is helping you in all West Africa if you want to expand yourself in many different type of sectors. Mining is his own department, but he can support you in definitely lot of sectors. और साथियों होता क्या है, जब आपको इस तरह का सपोर्ट मिलता है तब जाकर आप एक प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस एम्पायर खड़ा कर पाते हैं. तो आज हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, चैलेंजेस पूछेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क हिम different type of challenges, what problems people are facing, how we sort out their problems, and how we help them to invest in Sierra Leone and as well as West Africa. So let me start and asking questions from Mr. Napoleon.
thank you.
Sir, you know that you come to 3D Business Growth Conference.
Yes.
So you like it?
Very much. I like it very much. I love the presentation you did and your in-depth knowledge about setting up business on the continent of Africa. You well researched, and many of the things you said and the presentation are very much peculiar to doing business on the continent of Africa. And also, I was happy to hear from many other Africa countries invited as they presented the business environment in their different countries. The conference was good, and the other most important aspect was the networking. During and after the conference, the various people I engaged with, we had conversation and the interest they have expressed to come to Sierra Leone and see the potentials we have in our country. So it was a very, very good meeting, and I'm happy to have been part of it. And I definitely know it's going to yield a lot of dividend for the people of Sierra Leone and the continent of Africa.
Definitely. Sir, you know that you are the person who is representing a country.
Yes, sir.
Investor was waiting for you since a long time. They are waiting you in 3-way business growth conference because we planned long before.
Yeah.
And I'm really very thankful for you that you come to Jaipur in India and you represent your country. You discuss with them like, you know, that good supporter of them.
Yes.
You know that entering in mining business have lot of challenges. So if I bring some of our clients group delegation or personal delegation, depends. You know that sometimes some of billionaire businessmen, they don't want to come with the group. They want to come by themselves. And sometimes people come in a group to see the country and opportunities and everything. So if I bring a group delegation or single delegation, how you help them to enter in your country?
Thank you very much. Like you rightly said, I work as Deputy Minister in the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources. Before my appointment as Deputy Minister of Mines and Mineral Resources, I was, I'm a lawyer by profession. I've practiced law in my country for more than 10 years. So during that period, I have dealt with the business environment, and my background is international investment law. I know, first of all, any investor that wants to come to your country, the first thing they think about, how would they be protected? How would their investment be protected if they come into that country? So these are the things I will help do for them in Sierra Leone, or my country will provide for them. First of all, we made the country very much easier to be accessed. Sierra Leone is accessible to the business community. We recently, under the current administration, ensured that we invested in a new airport where we have a BOT agreement with a company from Turkey. We built a very brand new airport. It's small, but very much nice and easily accessible. And we've attracted more flights coming to Sierra Leone. So getting to the airport, clearing the investor to enter into the country is not something difficult. You can get visas on arrival right at the airport there.
This is wonderful thing. You know that I interrupt you in the middle because when I was last year, there was no visa on anyone.
Okay, so this is what, and now with that, any investors that are coming through Opesh Group, we can talk to the immigration officer, they can send their details, and we can obtain their visas for them, and they will be able to access the country. That's number one. Number two, when they come into the country, they want to see what are the opportunities available. I'll be able to provide the assistance for them to access the various departments they are interested in. And in the area of mining, for more than almost close to 100 years, Sierra Leone was known for certain minerals in the world, particularly diamonds. If you heard the story about blood diamond,
Wonderful.
it's about Sierra Leone, but now we've transformed from blood diamond to prosperity diamond. And but there are several other minerals in the Republic of Sierra Leone. And quite recently, the World Bank supported the country, and we were able to do the airborne geophysical survey, in which we are able to discover several other minerals in our country, and for which many people are coming. So at the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources, we have the mining cadastre, and we have the data available. In this mining cadastre, we've been able to hive out all the minerals we have, and we have the data available for them, for investors to see which area they are interested in, how they want to come into the business. And mining, of course, is a very huge capital-intensive something. It requires a lot of investment. You have the minerals in your country, but if you don't have the technology, you don't have the resources, you cannot exploit it. You need international business people or partners from other different parts of the world to invest into those areas so that you can be able to exploit the mineral, that the government can get the taxes out of the mineral, and the country will benefit. And also, we have an agenda as the current administration to see how best we can be able to add some value addition to our minerals in the country. So investors who are interested is also in value addition to some of our minerals, from gold, diamond, cutting and polishing, gold refinery, the bauxite, building it into aluminium, iron ore, adding to some value. Those are all areas of interest the government is looking at. But more importantly as well, in terms of government and investor partnership, the government of Sierra Leone has recently set up what we call the Sierra Leone Mining Development Corporation. Under the Sierra Leone Mining Development Corporation, the government of Sierra Leone has gazetted some assets, very, very much valuable assets, mineral assets, into that corporation, and they are looking for people, prospective investors who are interested in that type of mineral they want to invest. They can partner with the government of Sierra Leone and do that investment for the exploitation of those type of minerals. That's another opportunity.
It means private and public partnership.
Yes, in
So
that
if I
area.
bring some good investors, it is possible to become a partner with the government.
Oh, yeah, definitely it's possible through the Mineral Development Corporation under the Mineral Wealth Fund. Government has set it up as a corporation. It's being managed by a separate group of people. So once the investors come, we introduce you to them. You can take a look at it. They'll give you the profile, and they'll give you what is available. If the investor is interested, then they can partner. Or if the investor wants to invest on its own, to own its own mine and everything, is open. You can do it. You know, you study the data, you know where the concessions are, what you want. You can register a company and you can apply for your license. We give several licenses. We give small-scale mining license, we give exploration license, and we give large-scale mining license for all minerals in the Republic of Sierra Leone for investors to own. You can own and operate a mine without any hindrance, without any disturbance from anybody, as long as you comply with the provisions of the law.
Definitely, that's... Guys, I also want to tell you something, that if anyone go to a mining country, they must follow the compliance of the country. I'm also going to ask my brother some of, crucial questions, because you want to know the real truth, what is the real business in Africa. Guys, problem is this: when people go to Sierra Leone, Ghana, Guinea, Angola, or Uganda, any country where a lot of minerals are available, for especially trading business, they go as a tourist and they want to do the illegal trade, and they get the problems. And because of these problems, they spoil the country name. They say, okay, I go to this country, police capture me, immigration disturb me, I get scammed, because they get scammed because they are greedy. They don't want to get proper licenses. They don't want to do legal and legit trades. That's why they get these problems. I think, right, sir, if everybody had proper license, I don't think they have any problem.
You have said it all. Most of the issues people face or investors face that they are losing money in Africa is because they don't want to do business properly.
Yeah.
If you come the proper channel, you come through the official channel, you will never get scammed. Never. I will assure you of that. Particularly in Israel, you will never get scammed. If you come to buy goods, if you come to buy diamond in Israel, you get your proper license, you do your business, you do your export through the right channels, nobody will scam you. But like you rightly said, people moving because of the greed, people moving by those fancy stories by the scammers.
Yeah.
They will tell you today gold price is maybe $70,000 for a kilo. The scammer will tell you, come, I have 100 kilo gold for 30,000. Then you jump on a plane and get there. By the time you get there, you lose your money, you lose everything, and you even have a risk to your life. When you come through the proper channel. Now I'm sitting here, I'm a government official. I work for the government of Sierra Leone, the authority of the government of Sierra Leone. I am Mr. Opesh. I've come to India. We were talking before. When I've come, I've seen his setup. I know his business he's doing. It's a legitimate business. If he sells somebody to Sierra Leone directly to me, that investor, from the time he or she flies from India to get to Sierra Leone to do business, he will be protected throughout, because I know I am dealing with Dr. Opesh, and he also knows that he's dealing with a credible investor. And what we'll be fighting against as Africans also, we want credible investors to come to our country. We don't just want portfolio investors or fly by night. They'll come this night, they want to go back the other day. Once you're credible and you come through the proper channel, your money will be protected, your investment will be protected, and you'll have no problem, neither with immigration nor with police.
Guys, as our brother told you clearly, that in Africa, when anyone go without proper license, proper legit papers, even if they go gold, diamond, gemstone, any precious metal, they get scammed. And that will be a problem for life also. So because of that, there is two losses. First, we can take an example of Sierra Leone or Ghana or any country. People go, they are greedy, they do the wrong things, they get lost, and they say country is not good. If they work properly, definitely they like the country, they like the people, everybody is good. I am working in Africa since 15 years. In Sierra Leone, our company Diamond Global SL Limited have proper gold exporting license. We pay the fees, we get the license. And it have a cost. You need to set up office, you need to pay export license fees, you need to do things properly. So guys, if you go anytime by that, you will be successful. As my brother says, in our Gold is our program, a lot of people are doing gold diamond trade. We only help them on legit way and right way. And I also want everyone. Africa is one of the good continent. If you are good, everybody is good. Right?
Definitely. Definitely. When you come the right way, you get what you want and you will live in a proper way. Like for example, you were talking about precious gold and diamond. For export of diamond, for example, we have the Kimberley certification process,
Yes.
which is done by the government of Australia. You go through the Ministry of Mines, you want to export your diamond, you take it there, they value your diamond, they give you a certificate and they put it in a parcel. You receive your parcel, you fly out of the country. The same for gold. But if you go through these scammers, they have this document, the photocopy, they show you the pictures of it, they don't have any proper stamp and everything. By the time they give you the parcel at the airport, you open the parcel, you find something quite different there. And you start saying the country. It's not a country. It's you. Because you don't want to come through the legitimate means. So all what you are saying, and I'm very much happy with Dr. Opesh and how he's been trying to propel or to promote the continent of Africa, and particularly with his book, his publication, Setting Up Business in Africa. And in his presentation at the conference, I saw the area he put risk of doing business, challenges and everything, how to overcome it.
Yeah.
And he emphasized on the point that people have to come through the legitimate means. And if you come through the legitimate means, like through a group, to come to Africa, the responsibility lies on you and your partners out there to make sure that the investment is protected. So my advice to anybody who wants to come to Africa or to my country, Sierra Leone, just make sure you contact the proper official channels. And once you do that, we'll have nothing to worry about.
So guys, you understand, as Mr. Minister said, that if you come to Africa with the right channel, right way, you never get any problem. Africa is not a continent of opportunities. It's a continent of golden opportunities. It's a win-win situation. If you build a factory in Africa, you create the jobs. You develop a country give you benefit of tax holidays. So you get benefit, a new market less competitive, and benefits for tax holidays. But you make everything on right way. If you want to go to mining business, like our brother, ministers are ready to help you and support you in their country in legitimate ways. You directly contact to right authorities, or like us, we are helping people. We have our channel partners like that, so they can help you when you go to there. Guys, about Africa, there is a lot of opportunities in road construction, manufacturing, agriculture. If you want to invest in hospitality, hospitals, our universities, private universities, every type of opportunities, we are here to help you. And I want to ask a question about that, apart from mining, because I understand mines is your control, you can help people.
Yeah.
But other activities, if I bring a delegation for different things, how we do it?
Definitely, like you rightly said, there are great opportunities. And the current administration I serve under President Julius Maada Bio, in 2018, he launched what we call the human capital development with 5 pillars. The first pillar was education. And we've been doing a lot of investment in education, that which has to do with free quality education, which we launched in Sierra Leone. And a lot of private institutions are developing, as you rightly said, even private universities, establishing it there, connecting it to other universities here to do online programs and everything. Those are opportunities. But now the most important pillar, which has to do with the human being, the second one, in this second time, he has made agriculture as a new agenda. He says feed Sierra Leone, that Sierra Leone should produce food for itself and export as well. So we are looking for also private partnership in that area. We're looking at a lot of private investors to see how we can invest in the agriculture. We have vast agricultural land, arable land, lands that have never been cultivated. Never. They are there. They are available for private people who can come, access those land, plant whatever they can, plant onions, tomatoes, different crops, which you can sell Israel as a first market and even export to other parts of the world. It's a very great opportunity. Yesterday, 2 days ago, it was the first anniversary of the launch of the Feed Sierra Leone program. And the Minister of Agriculture, Dr. Baka, has been moving around the world, calling on investors, private partners. They said, come, if you're interested, the land is available. You can take you around, you can take a look at it. Which type of crop do you want to invest in? Which type of animals do you want to rear in Sierra Leone or cater for Sierra Leone so that you can also feed the country and export? So agriculture is also a very great opportunity. And most importantly, to tie into agriculture has to do with infrastructure. That's where we have some deficits as a country in terms of connecting the country. So it's a great opportunity. We're looking for a lot of build, operate, and transfers opportunity. We have few of them being run by the Chinese. They've built the road, put toll gates on it, and they're operating it for a long period of concessionary time. And there are several other ones connecting Israel to Guinea, connecting Israel to Liberia. We are looking for those opportunities as well, and see how we can be able to develop the model and see people who are into infrastructure can invest in that as well. Our health sector also is another area for investment.
Yeah.
We are looking for opportunities as well. How do we have a lot of medical tourism happening in our country. Many times we have to send people to India, the main destination, Turkey now, India, for treatment. So somebody who is interested in building up or those chain of hospital, you can set up maybe the branches, proper diagnostic centers in Sierra Leone. That also you can do, and do the diagnostics for people in that country, and it's an area of opportunities as well to invest in. Energy, of course, is another area again. Energy issues, we're investing in that very heavily, and quite recently, under the Millennium Challenge Compact, the MCC, the government of America has awarded Sierra Leone about $450 million to develop the energy sector. So we're looking at different programs, different projects government will be developing along that line to sell 𝐾𝐢𝐬𝐡. So those who are interested, who do us into energy and can help us build up energy infrastructure in the country, is also another great opportunity. So everything on energy ground, there's everything up there from mining, agriculture, education, energy, etc. Health is available. It just depends on what exactly you want to look at and how you can structure your project. Then you have a base and you have a place. And the good thing is that with Sierra Leone is sharing boundary with Guinea, the population of more than 23 million people, sharing boundary with Liberia with a population of 5 million, with Sierra Leone 9 million. So if you have a proper center in Sierra Leone, you'll be catering for Guinea and Liberia as well. So there is market as well for whatever you want to do in the Republic of Sierra Leone.
He's totally right. But guys, the Sierra Leone is a central position. You know that when investor goes here, challenges of language barrier. Guinea have French, Mali have French, but Sierra Leone, you can easily speak in English. Okay, so that is also one of the wonderful opportunity. Their borders, road connectivity is everything good. I go many times Sierra Leone myself. You will be surprised if you drive from Freetown to Kono, Makeni, Kambela, Kenema, road connectivity is good. Proper roads are there, proper connectivity is good. People are friendly, no one disturb you. As I told you, if you're good, everybody is good. If you go to a mines on tourist visa, definitely you get a problem. But if you go to a mines, if you have mining ID, there is no problem. So try, use the right way and get success. About the Sierra Leone, especially I again want to talk about the scam, gold and diamond, because daily I have a lot of questions in Africa, especially because these greedy people, they do mistakes by themselves and they make a country name is not good.
Yeah.
But then it is not good.
Yeah.
Because they are making a country name bad and they are going to lose their money also.
Yeah.
So if our investors comes in gold, diamond type of segments, I think they are free to do business with your support.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. That one you said is it's affecting us. Like normally, even when you go to the Kimberley certification process meeting, we receive some of these complaints. You have people who say, we did gold diamond export from Sierra Leone. The Kimberley certificate they gave us is fake. It's because it did not go through the official channel.
Yeah.
So those who are coming, the first thing, when you get to Sierra Leone, there are laws. There are laws dealing with minerals in our country. You want to go into gold or diamond business, you have to register for your business. If you want to set up a small business, it's free. To register business in that country is simple or whatsoever. If you want to get the assistance of somebody, you can do it. Once you have that company, your name is on it, then you can apply for your exporter's license. Once you get your exporter's license, it permits you to go to any part of Sierra Leone to buy that diamond or gold. Then you come to the NFA, to the precious mineral unit, you pay your tax on it, then you export. Nobody disturbs you. And once you export through the government channel, anything goes wrong is the responsibility of the government. But I will tell you, anybody that has been scammed in that country has not gone through the proper channel. Well, as you rightly said, when they are now saying, they don't say that I dealt with scammers. They say that I went to Sierra Leone and this happened to me.
They are making a country name bad rather than accepting their own problem. They do illegal trade, they go illegally.
Yeah.
They bring money through money laundering because they don't have bank account. And after they get scammed because of their greed, there is no gold in $30,000 values. Okay? When Dubai price, LBMA price higher, trading price also higher.
Yeah.
There is no that type of margins.
Yeah.
This is only the story is to make you happy so you can come and get scammed.
Yeah. Exactly.
So please do the things on right channel, legal way. Sierra Leone, I can guarantee you one of wonderful country because I have office there. I have friends like this. You know that I have office in Senegal. I have office in Côte d'Ivoire. I have office in Benin, Nigeria. I have office in Rwanda. I have factory in Rwanda. I have a construction company in Ethiopia. Mines in Zimbabwe. But the countries we are promoting from the ground level because we are there. We know the people. We eat food with them. We know everybody is good.
Yeah.
Just don't Google it everything. Anybody want to go to Sierra Leone, in our country visit program, we can tell you, take you with us, a group or individually to Sierra Leone, Senegal or any country you want. We show you the whole country. We show you the opportunity. Then think what type of business with a legal legit license you want to start. Sir, I have another question because of mining.
Yeah.
If someone want to get gold mines, diamond, rutile, ilmenite, anything, what is the price for prospective license and main license currently?
Well, that one is depends, but I have a brochure which I shared at the conference yesterday to many of people, and I'll share it with you. It stated there directly, it depends on the number of acreage of land. So, for example, if you're applying for a small scale, depending on the license you want to apply for. If you're applying for a small scale license, the law provides the minimum of land you have to operate within. So it's between 50 hectares, 50 to 200 hectares. Land, minimum.
Yeah.
So you can take it up 50 hectares or maximum 200, not more than that.
Okay.
So for 1 hectare of land, the license fee is $1,000 per hectare.
$1,000 per hectare.
Yeah, that's what you pay as a license fee to the government. But there are other attachments. First, the land, you have to have a land lease with the local people who own the land.
Okay.
And that one as well, they charge in not in hectares, but in acres.
Okay.
So that one also is in our loans, the equivalent of between $60 to $65 per acre land. So depending on the area you want to operate, depending on the coordinate, based on where you want to operate from, it might be 50 acres, which is about 25 hectares. It might be 60 or 100 acres of land. Then you can do the land lease, pay the surface rent to the people, have your agreement. Then you continue your process with the government. Then you pay the license fee. Government issues a license to you. Then you can mobilize to go to the place to mine. That's for the small scale. For the large scale, the total acreage for a large scale is within about 125 square kilometers. 125 square kilometers.
Okay.
For a large scale mining operation.
Okay.
That one is a fixed license fee by law. It's about $1 million per annum.
Per annum, $1 million.
Yes, for large scale mining operation.
Okay.
Large scale, which is about 125 square kilometers. Small scale is about 1.5 to 2 square kilometers for small scale. So that one is provided for. We have rules and regulations for it, and they are well published on our website. There's not anything hidden. It's published on our website. All the license regime and all the fees that you have to pay is on the website of the company. Is called www.nma, National Mineral Agency.org. If you check that one, .com, sorry, if you check that one, it will take you to the National Mineral Agency's website. And if you go to the National Mineral Agency's website, you can see Mining Israelian, and you download it to show you everything, to show you the cadastral mapping, and to show you the license regime and everything. Then you will know even before coming. But if you're not to, when you come back again to Freetown, you can directly go to the NMA, the information desk. You can see to them. They will show you everything, and you have access to the information. It's not something that is hidden.
When you listen that what Mr. Minister says, small scale mining, minimum 50 hectare to 200 hectare.
Yeah.
Government mining license fees is $1,000 per hectare. Large scale mining, 125 kilometer. Square kilometer.
Mm-hmm.
Price is $1 million per annum. It's also even not too much.
Mm-hmm.
You know that? Because area is too big.
Too big, yeah. Too big. The land is too big. Yeah, man.
Government is ready to help you mines. I already told you many times. This is a great opportunity. In Sierra Leone, you can start a lot of business, including mining, gold diamond trade, iron ore is there, bauxite is there, rutile, almanite is there, lithium is there. A lot of guys are asking me about lithium. They have the lithium option also if you are ready to invest. As well as, let me tell you something. You know that if you enter any business, it's not necessary to enter directly with the mining. One of a good business in Sierra Leone is equipment rental business. So we are helping a lot of people to start equipment rental business in Sierra Leone. With support of government, again I want to tell you, we help them to rent in right and legal mining companies. In this business also people get lost because they send their machines to illegal trade. Their machines are working with a little bit high amount or something in the mines, they don't have legal license. Because of that, there is that they don't get money on time, they get problems on time. We always consult with departments because we are working closely with them. Okay, sir, if there is any good mines, good company, which one have legal license. So if you start that type of business going to run with legal mines only. And that always good because equipment have a cost. People are taking 20 machines, 30 machines, equipment have a cost of $1 million, $2 million. And you do the wrong, you open the company, but you do the wrong thing, that is not good. Always put equipments on right and legal mines. I'm right or not, sir?
You're very much right. Many of the large scale mining operation, of course, the small scale, people have licenses, but they don't have the equipment to mine, or even if they have, it's not It's not much. So they go out there to rent equipment so that they can help them to mine. And once you have to the company, and the company we have to accumulate, you negotiate to the company what they pay you per day for your equipment multiplied per month. So at every month, when your machine finish working, number of hours they do and everything, they calculate you and they transfer the money into your account. But if you go there, the way you got the machine there, you do not have a company, you don't put your machine in, or maybe even if you send the way you send your equipment, you're dealing with the wrong people, they can put the machine there in their own name for themselves, and they collect the money, they don't get your money back. So be mindful of that as well when you get there and you want to do equipment rental.
So as what you listen very clearly that do the business in right way. Government is going to support you. We are going to support you. I always tell people that any business you want to do with right channel, right guidance, and right business planning. Okay. And other thing is this, in 3B Business Growth Conference, lot of investors meet our brother. And they are joining us in next trip to Sierra Leone. If anyone want to join that trip to Sierra Leone, they can also contact with us. So we can take them to Sierra Leone, show them lot of opportunities, mining, manufacturing, everything. Okay. Mining is a hot cake because it depends on the geology. If you want to go to Rwanda don't have mines because their geology don't have that type of capacity. Sierra Leone have a history of 100 years, I think, for mining. Yeah. Yes. So a lot of opportunities are there, good people are there, strategic location is there. So please plan, and anything you want, anytime you want support, we are here. And our next 3B Business Growth Conference, an initiative for ultra success, is coming in 2025. We are bringing a route of success on a cruise event 13 January 2025. And on that cruise event, it's moved from Mumbai to Goa 2 days, and in Goa 2 days, total 4 days event. Our brother is joining again with us. If anybody in that time, he have a vision 2025, he can meet them, discuss with them face to face, because some of people, I know because of festival and other things, they didn't get the chance to join the 3B Business Growth Conference. Also, we already are full. You see, there is no room, there is no available, all events are completely sold out. So next time, if you get the time, you want to build your empire, you want to meet our brother in India, we will welcome you 13 January 2025 at Mumbai in a cruise event, a route of success. Route goes to trip to Africa. So let's have business together and let's do something together. Sir, you have any message to young people, anything, please guide?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Opesh, and thank you for having me in India. Again, I want to extend my profound thanks and appreciation to you for inviting me to India and for putting Sierra Leone on the stage and for helping to promote business on the continent of Africa. You traveled a lot in Africa, you understand the mentality, you know the perspective of our people there, and you've not just come to sit down quietly about it, you've decided to let the world know, to let India know, to let other business people know that Africa is a continent to do business. We have to do it the right way. That's the right message I want to give to every prospective businessman, those who want to go into business. Moving through the right channel is always, the right road is always the better road. Any short road is always the dangerous route. Do not take the shortcut. Shortcut will always lead to the long cut, because when it gets calm, you have a very long night. If you are going for 2 days to run away, you will end up there for years. You will lose everything. But if you come the right way, it will take you a week or two, then you will do right business and you will get profit out of it. It will be a win-win for everybody. The world is now moving very fast. The world is becoming digitalized. Everybody sees everybody. Everybody knows what everybody is doing. Nobody is hiding anything. So Africa also is very much open. People are very, very much aware. And we also want to move the development of our continent, to do the development of our country, so that our people can benefit from job creation from this investment, and people can benefit from the business mutual relationship. It's a win-win situation. The investment will be protected, our people have the opportunity to work, government can get their taxes, and we'll be able to develop our infrastructure and the many areas we need. So thank you very much. It's a welcome initiative, and I hope the next year again will bring in more success story to tell, and to have more people coming through this channel and we'll continue that relationship, and it will blossom to something better. So thanks for having me, and God bless you.
Same here, to thank Weathers, so we can help our friends with the right channel to invest in Sierra Leone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Please.
This book is worth reading for anybody who wants to come to Africa to do business, and also worth reading for us in Africa, because Dr. Opesh has given us a very good perspective in this book, and that you can use to advise your friends who are coming to you. I've already started reading my copy since he gave me, and it's a very, very interesting reading, and I advise and recommend that we read it, so that when our friends come, they want to do business, we'll tell them what are the challenges and how you can be able to overcome it, which Dr. Opesh has captured in his book based on his 15 years experience of working on the continent of Africa. Thank you very much, Dr. Opesh, for that patience.
Thank you, sir.
And for putting this in writing for people to read. And this will stand for generations to come. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I want to give you Bhagavad Gita, and please try to read it. You get some wonderful ideas.
Okay.
This is, this is the Bible of India.
Thank you.
That this is our holy book, and I teach all Indian how to live, how to do business actions. If someone read it, you will get all of ideas. One thing, it's a spiritual book, but give all ideas.
Okay.
So have a look.
See, knowledge is power. Thank you for opening me, for introducing me to the knowledge of India.
Thank you.
The power behind India. Thank you very much. You love Serenu.
Thank you.
Listening to good news.